Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Bahria University student account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Bahria University student account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you can search for student login Bahria University. And after searching for that, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says Student CMS. And now what you have to do is enter your enrollment. So after entering your enrollment, now you have to enter the password. After entering your password, now you have to select the institute that you are in. After selecting the institute, now you have to select the role. So if you are parent or if you are student. So after selecting the role, you can tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your Bahria University account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password and then create a new password for your account. After creating that new password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your Bahria University student account. You can also create a new account by tapping on new student. So if you don't have an account, you can create a new one by tapping on that. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Bahria University student account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.